Alright, so welcome to the series, guys. So this video we're going to have finished for the pricing page with the data metadata. So the thing tricky that we need to have a basis recommendations that to return a different layout and different components based on this. So we will have a little bit of hacky way to able to do in that. So to start the process, we're going to have follow the same page. So we can run dev again to open the editor. So we just have finished the career and also the about us. So in this video we are to finish for the pricings. So before we jump into the data, you guys need to have the create schema for this. So we're going to have the price informations. So the price informations will contain a little bit of information that we want. So we want to have a price, that's correct. We have to what blend. So blend is we have pro, basis, VIP, etc. based on your creative. We have recommendations, type links, that is new. We have time is per month or per year based on your service, and we have descriptions, CTAs, and we have the benefit, which is a array of string. It's pretty simple. Okay, so next up we're going to have also price only, and for the price it will contain an array of the price informations. So for the price we have object, and the title also is price. Remember the title, and it's in array of price information we just create. All right, so next up, don't forget register into the page. So we're going to have the two things. We have this price, we have price, and we're going to have the price informations. Okay, so for the price information and the price, we're going to register into the page in case we need in every different page you guys want. All right, so next up you guys need to register into the schema. So for the schema we have price, price type, and we have price informations type. Okay, that's two of this, two of things we want. Job type, price information type. What's wrong? Category, what category to tag? Price information type here. Okay, that's what we want. Price and register. All right, so let's jump into our editor to see. Localhost editor. This one just only localhost. It will take a while. For the sense, we can jump into our this is our main one, this one, and I not deploy the studio yet, so you guys won't able to see the deploy studio. So this is also convenient from Sanity that they have a Sanity like CIL for deployment. Oh, sorry, deploy here. So deploy Sanity is just have just only one, and it's going to be deployed. For us it's pretty simple, and I think it's not nice. Yeah, it's either say CIL like this one, and we just have just type in the terminal and it's automatic deploy for us. So we just have finished the homepage, about us, and career. Now we jump into the pricing. So let's jump into the pricing. Editor. So the pricing here. Okay. Pricing. So let's wait into the editor to be able to load it. So if we have finished this for the about us, it's going to be completed every data in it dynamic data and all the UI, and now we need to have small interactions for each of them. So okay, so let's jump into the page. We go into create a pricing page. So okay, pricings. Okay, so also pricings, and what do we have? We're going to have price, right? So for the price, and we have available blend. We have 3 blend, so we can create first blend is the price, so $59, and blends is basis blend and recommendations. We have time is per month, right? We have descriptions, yes, we have for small house business, and sorry, we jump into there. We have descriptions, and we have the CTA. All right, so the CTA going to be get started. So we have get started, and we have a link. So usually that some of the companies, they put their booking system, or they put their form to type something pop up. So but in a sense, which is make it simple, this is like more advanced stuff, you can do it, but there is one like a must for this one. If you do it, you guys can increase your skill budgetly. So if you have the benefit in here also, you can add in here. So for the benefits, just make it simple. We have a fixed amount revenue supply, and I just put it here. All right, so you guys can duplicate this as much as you want. For the basis plan, for the basis plan, I put 4. Okay, so just leave it there and publish it, and I will duplicate it, and I will make it into 199. This is pro, and no recommend for this. It's per month, and we're going to have 2 more here, 2 more, and it's close it, publish it, and we have duplicated this once. We will have 399, and it's going to be VIP and recommend. Oh sorry, we don't recommend this guy, and we're going to have 2 more. Right, so close this and hit publish. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. If you want to have more functions, we create it. That's it. So I have default name. Okay, a little bit something wrong in here. Prices. Built-in. Okay, so let's check on the prices. Price. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, say energy. All right, so say energies. Say energies here. Deleted. All right, so a little bit the syntax error. So if we refresh this one, it should work. Okay, so for the informations and the data we already have. Now we need to see in the development environment. Alright, so this is what we used to have. So now we have a small change. So we can delete this new client, and we can delete this everything. And first thing first, we follow this format. We're going to get data from the get pricing page, and we turn this guy into the async functions. Take this page, a little bit lag, okay, no worry. Strange, right? The thing that is challenge, you don't matter, just leave it there. I will solve it in the amount of time. Okay, so now it's returned. Oh yeah, we don't have the query yet, so that's why before the step you guys can create a query for our career. So in the sense that you guys can go into the pricing page, into the query page, and you guys can create a query, a get pricing page. Alright, so if you see is that this is follow the same format that, and we just change the name of that, and it's pretty simple one. And in here we also have the consultations, is the tag with illustrations, and we take the first one. This one I believe that I'm not created in the data yet, so we can create it. So we jump into the create prices, and we go into the text illustrations here, and we can create, yeah, we need this. We have not sure which plan to choose, is the heading, and we have descriptions, and we also have book a free consultancies. So we have book, so it's usually work like that, book a free consultations, yeah, consultations. So the link go in also have the pop-up or everything that you can come up with. Just be creative with that. There is no limitation to follow my tutorial, so as long as you guys can creative, I'm fine with that. So okay, so after that we can have this fetching the pricing page in our pricings. So in here, just in here page like this, it should be import in there, and we go into, what is it, cannot find. Okay, we go with that, and this is going to be a little bit tricky. Okay, so you see that we have two type of the variable, one that have recommendations and one don't have it. Here one have the recommendations and one don't have it. So we're going to have some of the conditional rendering in here. So for the conditional rendering that we are going to use is the recommendations. So before that, just remember to do the hero sections in the correct way. So we have the hero Sabbath. Okay, oh sorry, this one is hero tagline, right? Okay, so for the conditions, so for the conditions we're going to have few of the conditions is the price. So first we're going to have the price that available dot map. So why is the price available? So we need to have like double screen. So the available is here. So when we target into the price, we target into the available plan array. So we will map every information in here outside. That's it. So we target into the available plan in here, pass in here. So for the map, it will return the exactly the same structure we used to do here. So the TypeScript is like the assignment for you guys. So you guys also need to make it like too easy to understand for you guys. because for me it's make it like it's a simple one, but the purpose of the this channel is to make you guys able to understand and you guys can practice it. So I want to create some of the different with the other. All right, so in this sense we can return the conditional like this. So you will see that we have the conditional, so I will explain it. So in the item update is the available, so with available going to have plan, price, recommendations, recommend, time, description, CTA, and benefit. So the benefits is going to be the map update, so it's going to be the informations we put inside, so information we put inside of the benefit in here. So this is the benefit, so we're able to map it out. Let's do this again. So we have the prices, we have price, where is it? Here we have price, plan, recommendations, time, CTA, and descriptions. And it is the price, plan, recommendation, time, descriptions, CTA, and benefits. So we're going to have the conditional. So for the conditional, what's going to be happened? So if the item have the recommendations equal to true, it will return different style, and if not, it will return different style. So also for the recommends on the top, so you will see that this one they have recommend panel, this is not, so it's also based on the recommendations. And for the next one we have plan for this one, so the plan is the pro, the VIP, and we have the price, so the price going to be here $55, but in this sense I don't have that, so I just make it like this. I'm sorry, how can we do this correct? Price, okay, so we will have like this. Oh no, it's not like that. Oh my god, I totally forgot with this. Alright, so in this sense we can change by manually. So if we don't have the price in here, we can add the $sign here. So we have published it. Okay, we have the $sign here, and we also need the $sign for our basic plan. $sign. Okay, so publish it. Alright, prices. So we don't receive the hero. Alright, we don't have the hero, so we need to add the hero first. For the hero ones we have the prices only. Do we have the tagline for that? I don't think so. Okay, so just have publish. Okay, so we have the hero and the heading. Let's check on that. We don't have tagline, so basically we can remove it. Just only use the heading, and yep, okay, this should work. And for the conditional here, you see that we have two variables, right? So the first is recommend, choose, we have difference, and we also have the partner with the recommendations, and every information is pretty simple based on the structure itself. And for one more thing, that we have the button variant. So the button variant, if we have the recommendation is equal to true, we're going to have the tertiary reverse, and if not, it's going to have test only the tertiary. So we have the recommendation is not defined. Where is it not defined? Oh, maybe in here. Okay, so we can delete two of the unusable component or the element. So for the checklist, for the benefit in here, we're going to have map outside all the benefit and we return it with the check and only with the benefit items. Yeah, and for the links, we go also tag it into the CTA link, which is the pop-up or meeting stop schedule if you want. It's for the idea. Okay, so let's refresh again. It's still gone. Okay. Alright, so let's wait a little bit for the pricings here. Okay, so here are the results that from our dynamic informations, and you guys can see that we also have a few more the checklists come from the sanities and also from the recommend and basis and the different components from the components for the button components and also from the different vibe for the recommend. So basically we have success for the data fetching in the prices, but we still have one more left. In a sense, I think we're not sure which one to choose. So we have not using that in here. So I will go into use also for the dynamic one. For this one, for the book consultants, it's going to be consultants cta.title, because that we have the query in here is either cta.title here, consultant cta.title, and we also have the link for it. So it is the ref consultant.cta.link and target blank please. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's it. So for the consultant, we also have the accept and heading. So in a sense, we can have consultants dot accept this, and we have the consultants dot heading, right? And just delete this guy, delete it. All right, so it should work, especially should work. So when I refresh this one, I should able to put the free consultants, and we'll go into lead into my LinkedIn profile. Yeah, let's check on this. We not find the hero that heading. Okay, hero that heading. This is what we already have returned. Oh, do we need to publish it? Already published, right? Yeah, here it's good to go. Alright, so if we click in there, alright, so basically this file is the page is finished. So when we get started, it should go also into my LinkedIn, but we should have the target blank for that. Alright, so for this video, we have finished fetching the data into the consultant, into the pricing page with the sanities. Okay, so thank you guys for staying to the end. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.